Hi there, I'm back with my LG g8x again. As per the comments I have received on my previous video, most of the LG g8x users have updated to Android 12 via OTA update and seem to be facing many issues. But those who have updated via LG Bridge are not having any such issues. So here is the video to show you how to update from LG Bridge even after updating via OTA. Install LG Bridge to your laptop or PC only from official website, but not from third-party sites. LG website is documented with detailed steps. You can refer this link from video description. I have already installed on my laptop and hence opening it. Connect to your phone, head to software update section. If you are not already updated to Android 12, click on software update. It will begin download. As I have already updated, it says software is up to date. Those who have already updated via OTA from phone, you have to click on Update Error Recovery. Difficult to focus here. But before doing that, clear cache from your phone's memory, as it requires adequate RAM. In a minute or two, you will get this warning and read carefully, as I am not responsible if you brick your device. Both phone and laptop should be fully charged. Ensure to have stable internet connection to your laptop. Any disconnection in between update will result in problem. Once everything is fine, it starts with downloading the full OS file, which is around 5.1 GB. This full file update will resolve if any OTA issues with your previous installations. However, it won't do any magic to increase the performance. It is just a try to resolve Android 12 OTA issues as an alternative to factory reset and flashing in LG Service Center. It took around 40 minutes for download on my 30 Mbps GeoFiber and update took around 4 minutes. That's all. Your phone restarts and you can use as usual. Please let me know in the comment section below on what problem you had with OTA and whether LG Bridge update method resolved your problem or not. This helps LG g8x community. These videos will take lots of efforts in making even though it looks short in length. Hence, I request your support by subscribing to my channel as YouTube respects creators mainly based on subscribers count. And please do not forget to share it with your friends and hit like button if you have found this video useful. Thanks for being with me. This is Tech Devotee signing off. Bye for now.